How to use and customize Dock on Mac. How to add and remove applications, files, and folder from Dock. To add applications to Dock, click on the Finder icon in the Dock to open a Finder window. In the left sidebar, click on Applications. From the app list, select an application you want to add to the Dock and drag it to the left section of it. Let go of the app when you see the Dock expand to make space for the app. To add folders and files to Dock, click on the Finder icon in the Dock to open a Finder window. Locate your folder or file that you want to add to the Dock. Select it and drag it to the right section of the Dock. Let go of the app when you see the Dock expand to make space for the item. If you want to add a running application to the Dock, right-click on the running application that is in the Dock. In the menu, hover over Option, then click on Keep in Dock. To remove apps, folders, or files, right-click on the application, folder, or file that is in the Dock. In the menu, hover over Option, then click on Remove from Dock, or you can remove it by simply dragging it from the Dock to the desktop. How to add and remove the Downloads folder to Dock. To add the Downloads folder to Dock, open Finder and in the left sidebar locate the Downloads folder. Select it and drag it to the Dock's right section. Let go of the folder when you see the Dock expand to make space for the folder. To remove the Downloads folder, right-click on the Downloads. In the menu, hover over Option, then click on Remove from Dock. How to add and remove Launchpad from Dock. To add Launchpad, click on the Finder icon in the Dock to open a Finder window. In the left sidebar, click on Applications. From the app list, find and select Launchpad and drag it to the Dock's left section. Let go of the Launchpad when you see the Dock expand to make space for the app. To remove Launchpad, right-click on the Launchpad. Then click on Remove from Dock. How to lock applications, files, and folder to Dock. Open Terminal, and in the Terminal window, enter the command line, defaults right com.apple.dock contents-immutable-bool true kill all Dock. Now you will not be able to move content in the Dock. Also, the Remove from Dock option is gone, so you cannot remove anything from it. You can undo the lock by entering the command line, defaults right com.apple.dock contents-immutable-bool false kill all Dock. How to hide recent applications, files, and folder on Dock. In the upper menu, click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences. Find and click on Dock. Uncheck the box next to show recent applications in Dock. How to change Finder icon. Choose a picture you want to use, make sure it is in a PNG format and rename the picture to Finder. If your Mac has a Retina screen, then rename the picture as Finder at 2x. Shut down your Mac. Then turn on your Mac and, at the same time, simultaneously hold down Command and R keys on your keyboard to load the recovery mode. When you see Mac OS Utilities, in the upper menu, click on Utilities. In the drop-down menu, click on Terminal. In the Terminal window, enter the command line, CS-root disable. Then, click on the Apple logo, and then on Restart. Wait for your Mac to restart and log into your user. Open Terminal. Enter the command line sudo mount-rw/. Enter your user password. The password characters will not be shown in the terminal window. Then enter the command line sudo rm/system/library/core services/doc.app/content/resources/finder at 2x.png. Then, in the terminal window, enter the command line sudo cp/users/your username/desktop/finder at 2x.png/system/library/core services/doc.app/contents/resources/. Then, remove the docs icon cache. In the terminal window, enter the command line sudo find/private var/folder/name com.apple.doc.icon cache-execrm curly brackets /semicolon and kill the doc. In the terminal window, enter the command line kill all doc. Your dock will now refresh and you should see your picture as the Finder icon. Now enable System Integrity Protection. Boot your Mac into recovery mode again and open Terminal. In the Terminal window, enter CS-root enable and restart your Mac. How to change and lock dock position. To change position, in the upper menu, click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences. Find and click on Dock. Next to Position on screen, you can choose left, bottom, or right. To lock the dock, open Terminal. In the Terminal window, at the command line, defaults right com.apple.dock position immutable bool true kill all dock. Now the option to change position in settings will be grayed out and unresponsive. To allow dock repositioning, in the Terminal window, enter the command line defaults right com.apple.dock position immutable bool false kill all dock. How to change and lock dock size. To change the size, in the upper menu, click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences. Find and click on Dock. Next to Size, set the slider as you wish. To disable size change, open Terminal. In the Terminal window, enter the command line defaults right com.apple.dock size immutable bool true kill all dock. Now the option to resize in settings will be grayed out and unresponsive. To allow docks resizing, in the Terminal window, enter the command line defaults right com.apple.dock size immutable bool false kill all dock. How to add more space between items on dock. Open Terminal. In the Terminal window, enter the command line shown on the screen. Space will appear in the dock. You can click on it and drag between any items you prefer. If you want to add space between other items as well, just retype the command line again. To remove the space, drag it outside the dock and hover with it on the desktop while you see a remove option appear, then release it. How to automatically hide or show dock. In the upper menu bar, click on the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences. Find and click on Dock. In the dock settings, check the box next to automatically hide and show the dock. This will keep the dock hidden until you hover your cursor over the place where it is positioned. How to reset dock. Open Terminal. In the Terminal window, enter the command line defaults delete com.apple.dock kill all dock. The dock will relaunch itself with the default icons. Thank you for watching.